Want to build a fuel efficiency and financial performance dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our data file. The upload completes instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch Bricks AI get to work. The artificial intelligence is analyzing our fuel and financial data, identifying key relationships between fuel costs, consumption patterns, and profit margins. It's automatically generating multiple visualizations to reveal insights about fuel efficiency trends and their impact on financial performance. The AI creates correlation charts, monthly trend analyses, and profit breakdowns. Our complete fuel efficiency and financial performance dashboard is ready with 4 interactive charts and a comprehensive annual summary table. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now, let's enter presentation mode to showcase our insights. This full-screen view is perfect for meetings and presentations, highlighting fuel cost correlations, monthly consumption patterns, top performing periods, and comprehensive trend analysis across all our key metrics. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through and interact with every element. Try Bricks today and transform your data analysis workflow.